Atlanta, Georgia, Tuesday, January 28th. This is Moreland Avenue. This is it. Shitload of snow. Nothing but ice under it. And we are stuck. People trying to come down the hill. My tires are completely iced over. Nothing but ice under us. Nothing but people behind us. And some renegade truckers. Yeah, people trying to come in the opposite lanes. And it's just crazy. State troopers stop, they won't do anything. They pretty much mailed it in for the day. Can't get ice trucks from DOT because Georgia's not equipped. You got two people stuck. Truck up there stuck. He was actually sliding backwards. People walking in this shit. Basically, unless you got a fully loaded trailer and you get a running start at the bottom of this hill, you're fucked. The guy behind me stuck.